Hi guys, so today we are going to start with chapter B3, that is bar graphs. Let's start with the first set. Now the set is a company manufactures 7 different products. The products are from A to G. The following graph shows the breakup of cost price, profit and discount for each of these products. So as you can see, the blue shaded part is cost price, red one is profit and the blank part is discount. Now let's move to the first question. The first question says the percentage discount is maximum for which of the given products. So these are the 5 products given and we have to find the maximum discount percent. Now SP is equal to CP plus profit. This is the formula. Similarly, MP is equal to selling price plus discount. And we also know the formula of discount percent, that is discount upon mark price into 100. Now guys, we can use this concept of length of the bar is proportionate to value. So in this concept, we will not even look for the actual values. So we will just start comparing the lengths of the bar. Now, the discount percent to be maximum, the denominator must be minimum. I'll repeat this. So if we want a discount percent as maximum, the denominator of that fraction must be minimum. So how to compare this? Now how to start comparing the length of the bar? So see, now we will just simply look for D. So if we check the length of the bar, the length of discount bar for D is 4 times the entire bar. This length is 4 times the entire bar. That means it would be 1 part upon 4 parts. And if you observe, for rest all, the denominator is more than 4. Hence, D will become the answer because it will be 1 part upon 4 part. So 1 by 4 is 25% and rest all the values are greater than 4. Let's move to the next question. The profit percent is least for which of the given products? We will again try to compare this by using length of the bar. Now profit percent is profit upon cost price into 100. So profit is the red part and cost price is the blue part. Now for profit percent to be minimum, the denominator must be maximum. So we will look for maximum number of times as the denominator. So what we will do is we will consider this red part as 1 time and we will compare that red part with the rest of the bar and we will check how many times or how many parts we can form. So if you check for A, the red part is 4.5 times the entire bar. So as you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4.5. So this entire red part is 4.5 times of the entire bar of the cost price. The entire bar means the cost price one. Hence, we can say that A is the answer that we will select because for rest all, it is less than 4.5. Only for A, it is 4.5 times. Hence, A will be the answer. Let's move to the next question. If due to some defect, product C had to be withdrawn from the market and needed to be compensated by selling products D and F. If the company wants to retain the same percentage profit as it used to earn by selling product C, then in what ratio should it sell products D and F? That means we are withdrawing C and we need to compensate that profit. So for that, we are going to sell D and F. So in what ratio must we sell D and F so that the profit of C is compensated? Let's see how to solve such questions. Now we know that profit percent of C is 30%, as profit is 90 and cost price is 300. Now we need to make the profit percent compensate, right? So what we'll do is we will equate total profit of D and F upon total cost price of D and F to 30%. In short, we will equate profit percent of D and F to profit percent of C because we need the same profit. So now I'll substitute the values. So 50D, 50 into D, so D for D units, F for F units. 50D plus 125F upon 100D plus 500F. And at the right hand side, it will be 30 upon 100. Now, simply cross multiplying will give us the answer as D upon F is equal to 5 by 4. You just need to cross multiply these two things. After cross multiplying, you will get D upon F as 5 upon 4. Hence, 5 is to 4 is the correct answer. So we must sell D and F in the ratio of 5 is to 4. Let's move to the next set now. The following bar graph gives detail of the number of students who join class 11 and pass out of class 12 in a school for 6 years from 2000 to 2005. The pass percent of any batch which joined during the given period in its scheduled year of passing out is at least 60% and at most 80%. So it's minimum 60% and it's maximum 80%. For example, if 10 students join the class in 10 students join the class 11 in 2000, then the number of students in that batch who pass out in their scheduled year of passing, that is in 2002, would be between 6x and 8x, both included. Further, all students pass class 12 in at most 3 years from their joining class 11. None of the students were absent for the exams during the given years. Students are admitted only into class 11. Now let's try to solve this question. So this is the set that they gave us. So the blank one is students joining class 11. Red one is student passing out of class 12. The first question is the number of students who joined class 11 in 2003 but failed to pass out of class 12 in 2005 is what? This means we will have to calculate it entirely. So let's start. Now passed in first attempt and passed in second attempt. So out of this 55, the 42 one will be passed in first attempt and the rest will be carried forward to passed in second attempt. Assumption is 60% passing in 2002. 60% passing in 2002. So this means passed in first attempt in 2000 is 33 and passed in second attempt in 2000 is 22. Now this 75 with the same logic will be carried to 2003, that is passed in first attempt, and for the second attempt it will be carried forward to 2004. Hence we can say that 48 passed in 2001 and 27 passed in 2001. Now moving to 65, that is for 2002. In first attempt 52 will pass and in second attempt 13 will pass. For 2003 64 will pass in first attempt and In second attempt, 36 will pass in 2003, in the same year. Now the pass percent in 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005 is 60%, for 64%, 80%, 64% respectively. Now we need to calculate, and it is given that the pass percent is minimum 60% and maximum 80%. So minimum 60 and maximum 80, that means these two values we will consider. So hence I can say that 36 is the correct answer. 36 is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. The pass percent in the first attempt, that is the scheduled year of passing, was highest for the students joining class 11 in which of the following years? Now we know that this is happening. So this is the ideal thing. Now in 2002, it's 52 and it's 80%. So it's pretty easy. It was a direct question. Hence 2002 is the answer. Moving to next. How many of the students who joined class 11 in 2001 passed out of class 12 in their first attempt in their scheduled year of passing? This is also pretty easy. So we know this. It's 48. Hence 48 is the answer. So once you figure out the table, you will get all the answers. Thank you.